I started here 33 years ago as a paralegal while I was still in law school. So this is the first legal job and the last one I'll have. Well, primarily, I like working with the clients that we work with. I think just in general, the firm has always, when we look at a new area of practice, one of the questions that we always ask ourselves is, who is this going to be of benefit to? And we have always tried to find areas of practice that benefit real people who need real help. And so even some of the cases, the more sophisticated cases against the banks, the people that we're trying to help are the people who are the pensioners whose pension funds are getting ripped off by these banks. And it goes all the way down to the most basic workers' compensation case, with someone who's out of work because they got hurt at work, don't have any money coming in, they're going to lose, they don't have the money that they need to meet their monthly bills. And workers' compensation basically gives some wage replacement to kind of smooth the edges off of that. So there's a wide range of things that we can do for one person or a million people. But that's sort of the focus of what we look for in any area of practice we enter. And it's what makes working here rewarding. Usually when someone comes to us, they've had something serious happen to them or to their family. And someone is clearly at fault. Most people who come to us come because the people who have harmed them are fairly sophisticated, deep-pocketed, large corporations that most law firms can't take on. We can. What we look for are honest clients, liable defendants, and significant damages. And if we have those, we take the case, and if we take the case, we take it all the way to the end. Most clients aren't looking for a huge award. What they're looking for is security for their families. And sometimes it requires a huge award to do that. And that's why huge awards come about. But it's not a monetary goal that most people have. It's a security goal for themselves, for their families, and actually for other people who could be in the same situation down the road. Actually, my last year of college, I took 2 courses from a visiting professor who had just graduated from Harvard Law School. And one of the courses was called Great Trials, and the other was called Poverty in Law. And I found both of those to be so fascinating. He was such a terrific teacher, and what he talked about was the power of the law and how even the poorest, most disadvantaged people can, because the law is what the law is, in the right hands, they can match up against the most powerful corporations and the richest people in the world to get justice.